Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A50, and today I will show you how to access the download mode on the device. So we'll start off by powering up the phone, holding the power key, and select power off, which is in different language. Tap on it, and while it's shutting down, what you want to get is your USB Type-C cable, as you can see this one. Plug it into the computer and have it ready, and once you do, you can proceed on. So what we will do now is hold the volume up and down together, and while you're holding down the keys, you will plug in the phone with the cable. So I'm just gonna take it up, it's gonna be easier. And so volume up and down together, and while you're holding it, plug it in, and as you can see, now you get the message. And what you want to do is now press volume up, as it is right here, to continue. So like so, and now we're in the download mode, as you can see. Now also, if you want to leave this mode, you can actually unplug it now, because I'm not downloading anything. If you want to leave this mode, you can just hold the power key, or as you can see, volume down plus power key for more than 7 seconds to basically restart it. So we're gonna do it. And it should turn back automatically, as you can see. So basically that is how you access the download mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.